Hello everyone, welcome back, and if you are new to my channel, TechG is all about the latest tech and gadgets. With today's video, we are going to have a look at our first ever robotic vacuum cleaner from Lefant. This is a very compact design and easy to use robotic vacuum cleaner with a smart control enabled. With this review, we will have a look at the design, build quality and overall performance. If you are fancy getting one, please check the product link in the description down below. Well, without further ado, let's get started. In terms of the packaging, it came inside this retail cardboard box. You can see the product features and specifications are printed on the side as a quick reference. As far as the unboxing concerned, you will see a quick setup guide including a QR code to download the smart app. Then printed user guide, 10 disposable dusters, the vacuum cleaner, mop attachment, 4 brushes, a charging dock, boundary strip, power adapter, extra filter and a cleaning brush. Let's start with the design. The F1 robot vacuum has thin body with a diameter of 11 inches and a height of 2.7 inches. So this is a super thin design vacuum cleaner compared to the other models in the market. Having said that, thanks to this ultra small design, it can move and clean more floor area as well as under furniture. The F1 vacuum cleaner weighed about 3.89 kilograms and is made out of hard plastic material. On the top you will get these 2 push buttons with 3 LED indicators which help you to power on off and manually select the timing as well as choose the mode you want. Then here you can find the dust collecting box or the bin. You can see some instruction printed for quick reference regarding how to use the vacuum cleaner. Moving on, you can easily lift this dust box for cleaning purpose. Just simply pull the Lefant logo and the dust bin will easily come up. It is held by few magnets underneath. The dust box is reasonably large and capacity about 600 milliliters. You can easily take it off and clean it when it's done. Also, you can see the vacuum process thanks to the clear see-through top. And last, inside you can see the suction motor. It has this rubber bumper around the front which will help to protect your furniture prevent from any marks. Also on top of this rubber bumper, it has an anti-collision infrared sensors built in. This will help with FreeMove 3.0 technology. Means this F1 supports 360-degree full body detection, which can intelligently evaluate cleaning scenes and prevent the vacuum from getting stuck in corners and collisions occurring during the cleaning process. Then you can see these 2 air vents and printed QR code which will help you to download the Lefant smart app that control this robot vacuum cleaner. Moving on to the bottom part, you can see these rubber tires, front navigation wheel, charging contacts and side brush attach points. In middle you can see the suction port. Also it has 3 anti-fouling sensors built in. So we will do an actual test on this to see how good these anti-fouling sensors are later on this video. And last, you can attach this dry mop to clean the floor and take off any dust. When it comes to the hardware specification, this F1 robot vacuum has suction power of 4000 PA. You might wonder how loud is this vacuum when it's working. Well, it has under 61 decibels in terms of the noise level. More importantly, once this fully charged, it can be used for around 200 minutes continuously. So this is a real plus point to have this vacuum cleaner compared to similar price range products. Speaking about charging, it is very easy to store and charge thanks to the provided charging docking station. When the battery is low or the charging is finished, the robot vacuum will find the charging station automatically to charge. So you do not need to worry about charging the vacuum over and over. When it comes to setting up, all you need to do is attach the side brushes and connect to the charging dock until it gets some battery life. The full charge may take 4 to 5 hours. And then download the Lefant Smart App. Once the vacuum is finished charging, you can simply start the pairing process with the Smart App. Setting up is very simple and all you need to do is just follow the on-screen instructions. You will get a clear step-by-step guide through this setup process. Then once it is successfully connected, with your Wi-Fi and the app you can control the vacuum with custom commands and requests. Let's find out what you can do with this Smart App. Well, you can turn on and off this robot vacuum cleaner remotely. The second option is you can send it back to the charging dock via the Smart App. Then the robot vacuum will find its way to the docking station on its own. Also, you can monitor the remaining battery life through the Smart App. With the third option, you can choose the mode you want and you have 4 vacuum options available to choose from. Then the lookup mode will help you to find the robot vacuum if it has disappeared for some reason, especially if you have a larger house or so. When you press this, vacuum will start to beep. With the next option, you can schedule a cleaning task by preferred date and time of your choice and also assign preferred area you want to clean. Furthermore, with the control option, you can manually navigate the vacuum using the on-screen touch controller like a remote control car. Also, when new software is available to download, you can check and perform the new software update using the Smart App. Under the settings, you can customize the suction mode, anti-collision sensitivity, and even check the runtime and records of previous cleaning tasks. Moving on with Smart Voice Control, this F1 robot vacuum can connect and control via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant.
Alexa, turn on vacuum.
Okay.
In terms of its performance, this vacuum perfectly works on wood and carpet floors as well as tile floors. I've tested with different suction modes and I prefer to use the super powerful mode for better results. All the dust and rubbish carefully been cleaned with these and really impressed with the performance. Those anti-falling sensors are doing really good job, and while I was testing this near my stairs, it successfully cleaned the corners without falling over. Vacuum can reach and clean almost edge to edge without any issues. Also, you can see the cleaning area through the Smart App and can monitor the cleaning progress in real time. Like I mentioned earlier, this vacuum can clean under the furniture easily thanks to the compact design and the size. Furthermore, it can travel through the very tight space and do the job without getting it stuck. And finally, you can use this magnetic strip to create a virtual barrier. This will help to keep the vacuum within your preferred area. Then the vacuum won't move further beyond this strip. So this is pretty much all the features you can get with this Lefant F1 robotic vacuum cleaner. In the end, my honest opinion is I'm really pleased with the runtime. Having nearly 200 minutes of battery life will allow you to clean more space. Same time, I do like the feature of recharging itself without any human interaction when it needs more battery life. Also like the Smart App feature including the Alexa support. Furthermore, cleaning the robot is very easy and more importantly, it has really powerful vacuum motor built in for perfect cleaning on multi-surface. So with that all being said, feel free to let me know what do you think about this Lefant F1 robotic vacuum cleaner in the comment section. And if you are fancy getting one, please check the product link in the description down below. Also hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to see more videos like this. We will see you again with another review and stay safe.